Good morning, students. My name is Sunana and I am from Aman Bhalla Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today we discuss about the subject of computer network. So first of all, first question arises our mind, what is the computer network? A computer network is a group of computers connected with each other through wires like fiber optics, fiber links, etc. These devices are connected, interact with each other through a network. A computer network is a sharing of resources among various devices. In the case of computer network technology, there are several types of network that vary from simple to complex level. So next one is component of computer network. These are the major component of computer network. First is national interface card, second one is a hub, third one is a switches, fourth one is a cable and connectors, next one is a router, and next one is a modem. So major components of computer network is NIS, means National Interface Card. National interface is a device that helps the computer to communicate with another device. The network interface card contains a hardware address. The data link layer protocols use this address to identify the system on the network. So the transfer of the data to the correct destination point. These are the two types of NIS. First one is wireless NIS, second one is wired NIS. So wireless NIS means the modem laptop use can the wireless NIS. In wireless NIS, connections is made using the antenna that employs two radio waves technologies. So wired NIS, cable used to wired NIS to transfer the data over the media. Second one is hub. Hub is the central device that split the network connections into a multiple devices. Computer request information from the computer, it send the request to the hub. Hub distributes this request to interconnections computer. Okay, got my point? So next one is switches. Students, switches is the networking device that group all the devices over the network to transfer the data to another devices. A switch is the better than hub uh, because it is not a broadcast the message over the network, that is it sends the message to the device for which is belong to. Therefore, we can say the switches send the message directly from source to destination point. Okay, so next one is the cable and connectors. Cable or connectors. Cable is the transmission data media that transmit the communication signals. Okay, so these are the basically three types of cables we can use in the network. First one is a twisted pair, second one is a coaxial cable, and fiber optical cables. So twisted pair, it is a very high speed cable, transmit the data over the 1 GB per second or more. Coaxial cable is used for resemble like a TV installations cable Okay, so fiber opticals is a high speed cable that transmit the data using a light beams. Okay, so next one is a router. A router is the device that connects the LAN to the internet. The router is the mainly used to connect the distinct network or connection internet to multiple computer. So next one is a modem. Modem is the connection computer to internet over the existing telephone line. Modem is not integrated with the computer motherboard. Modem is separate part of the PC slot found on the motherboard. Okay, so uh, components of the computer network is completed. So next topic is uses of the computer network. So uses of the computer network is first of all we will discuss about the resources sharing, servant and client modem, communication media and e-commerce. So what is the resources sharing? Resources sharing is the sharing of the resources such as a program, printers and data among the users on the network without the requirement of the physically location on the resources and users. Okay, so next one is the several client model, server client modem. So server client modem is a computer network. A server is the central computer used to store the information and maintained by the administrator. So next one is a communication media. Computer network behave a communication media among the users. For example, a company containing more than one computer has an email system which is employed to daily communication. So e-commerce is important for a business. We can do the business over the internet. For example, amazon.com is the doing business over the network. They are doing their business over the internet. Okay, so next point is features. Features of computer network. A list of features are shown on your PPT slide. So first is communication speed, second one is a file sharing, third one is a backup rollback is easy, next one is a software and hardware sharing, security, scalability, reliability. These are the features of the computer network. So first one is the communication speed. So communication speed is a network provide to use the communicate over the network in a fast and efficient manner. For example, we can do video conferencing, email messages over the network. Therefore, the computer network is a great way to share our knowledge and idea. So next one is a file sharing. File sharing is the one of the major advantages of the computer network. Computer network provides us share the file with each others. Next one is a backup and rollback is easy. Since file are stored to the main server, which is centrally located, it is easy to take back from the main server. Okay, so next one is software and hardware sharing. Software and hardware sharing, we can install the applications of the main server the user can access the application centrally. So we do not need to install the software on every machine. Similarly, hardware can use to share. Okay. So next one is this security. Security is a very important feature of the computer network. The network allow to security to ensuring that users has the right to access certain files and applications. And scalability is means that adding new components on the network. um, Network must be scalable, so that we can extend the network by adding a new device. It is decreasing the speed of the connections, and the data of the transmission speed also decrease. The increase the changes of the error occurring. This problem can be overcome by using the router and switches. Next one is a reliability. Reliability is a computer network can be alternative resources of the data communication can case of the any failure, any hardware failure. Okay. So next lecture we can discuss about next lecture. Okay. Thank you, student.